In spite of having a heat-absorbing dark blue van, we decided to insulate Otis. You're also weirdly murdering this. To keep us warm during the colder nights of European autumn and perhaps even winter.
Perfect shape of a wheel, don't you think?
Given the big number of possible materials and opinions out there, deciding what to use and how to do it right can be so daunting.
Oh, it's coming out!
So this video shows how we created a warm van the cheap way.
Oh no, I popped the bubble!
67 centimeters here. Could that be? Here it's 10. 105, 120, roundabout. I have no idea. And then of course the roof, eh?
Oh yeah, the roof and the floor as well.
Diving into the DIY van insulation topic is almost like being sucked into a black hole of our values, use case determination, and whatever you can get in your own area. But before we reached the point of no return, our tiny budget at the time sure made some decisions for us.
Seriously, the time it costs us to measure everything like this in detail. I'd rather just do like a rough estimate of like the whole length times the whole width, and then you have some extra and then you can double up on some shits and whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the best, right?
Going by our car's dimensions, we went for a combination of mineral wool,
It's so fluffy, huh?
Styro Foam, and covered the whole thing up with a so-called vapor barrier. Now let's get to it.
I got it.
With our golden strategy to stuff it where we could, we started out with fitting thick 10 centimeter mineral wool in the lower halves of the walls.
How does it feel?
It's very soft, you can see, right? It's like,
Fluffy.
yeah.
But that's how you have what you have to measure until here, huh?
Yeah, squeezing it. This fits pretty well.
Slice it or put it in there?
No, slice it here, so just pass me the knife, I'll show you. I mean, you can still squeeze more stuff up here, I think. I mean, why would you measure it if you can just lean it there, you know?
How much are you supposed to squeeze this?
The question is how much can you stretch it, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. So now this one, should we measure that or just try it?
That's a good thing about this being so deformable, you know? You just cut it and then you just squeeze it everywhere. You filming this is so unprofessional how we're doing this.
Okay. Look at this. Perfect shape of a wheel, don't you think?
On a serious note, this is a good example of how you should not work with mineral wool. But above all, you should inform yourself before you work with any new material.
And in the end it's just like layers upon layers of fluff. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna wear my goggles.
Yeah? Put some fluff in your eye?
Shit, yeah.
Yeah, because you're also weirdly murdering this thing.
I don't want to be too humble, but I think this was not the best cut.
When we were almost done with the thicker parts of the mineral wool, we moved on to a thinner sheet that would fit in the less deeper parts of the walls and other nooks and crannies.
I am the strongest woman alive.
Look, you can put it in here, huh? Like all the way up here.
Yeah, you should.
Holy shit.
When the lower walls were finally filled, we said goodbye to the fluff to prepare for the next, more pleasant job. Unlike the wool that we just squeezed into the depths of our van's walls, the styrofoam sheets needed to be held in place somehow. For this, we used these little pins to which anything could be sticked. Let's give the surface a good clean. Yes, yes, yes. Clean towel. We do not want dirt. No, 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 no. Yes. Clean it up real nice. Yes. Should I put it here? 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 No, no, that's not good enough. No, 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 no. Here, here. No, I was there before. No, here. No. Just put it in the middle, woman. Yes, yes. Yes. And push. She did it. She did it. How satisfying is this, by the way? Am I right? And last but not least, ding, 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 ding. Now let's get these pins sticked, shall we? Perhaps the most boring part of van building and therefore not often documented, but this is where I really got into thinking mode. Where should I start? How many layers? What is the meaning of life? Did I buy enough? Etc. Enough overthinking. Enter.
We're insulating right now. It's like all these pieces of Styro Foam. I'm currently working on this piece. It's our car, a bit messy, full of tools, and it's the maker space. All the pieces we cut so far. These pieces that you just saw there for in here. Yeah.
All styrofoam floorboards were now prepared, and after everything, it's just great to find out that something did fit.
I'm just filming you from here while you do this.
No, you should do a walk around. Otherwise you have so many still images already. What was left now was finishing the walls and ceiling, if not distracted by the intricacies of filmmaking.
What, you're using the same sheet and measuring just flipped around?
Everything for the shop.
That's pretty fun. I thought you were gonna take like different pieces.
No, I don't do that much effort.
You could measure my head.
You have to go down a bit. And there we are. Our van was now fully insulated with styrofoam and mineral wool. But before we could cover that up, we had some walls to remove. Action!
Alright, last screw. Now we remove this. And then down here, actually. Whoa!
2 more!
Oh, I'm wrestling my car.
Really? It just goes out? Huh. Maybe I should help you hold that instead of filming. Oh, it's coming out! Woo! Oh.
Can you help me?
Yeah. It's gone. Wow, a t-shirt.
It's
Free t-shirt. Look at all this mess. Oh, we gotta vacuum that.
Now I go back, throw it out.
Bij trendwand. Now that all surfaces were completely free, it was time to bubble wrap it up. And create this elusive vapor barrier. In order to prevent a moisture buildup in the insulation material, and you're gonna get moisture, we covered all surfaces with aluminium foil-lined bubble wrap, which we carefully attached with aluminium tape on a dirt and fat-free surface. Wait a minute, can we have more fun with this roll of bubbles?
Did you accidentally cut it in the same length as this?
Yeah, I just kind of went for it.
Okay.
I have the tape. You buy me this, you buy me that. Like sometimes it's really wrinkly like here, but then I'm just gonna do an extra layer.
We kind of like the theme in our work.
What? Yeah, maybe 2 more even. Oh no, I popped the bubble!
Yeah, who gives a shit?
And now
What?
we can maybe put another stick pin on this one so it at least stays here, can we? Oh yeah, there is one here too. Perfect.
I don't know where these things are now.
In the car.
Brute strength helps us.
Very nice.
With our car now looking like a space wagon, we are coming to a spectacular end, ladies and gents. With the 5 most affordable materials, we finished a good insulation job for a grand total price of Wait, I sold some leftovers. A grand total of €130.68.
Okay. Ready? Go? It's already filming.
Straight face. Oh shit, it fell down.
Oh no, what? And I just randomly happened to be filming. What a coincidence.
Yeah, well. Okay. Duct tape failed us.
Did it now.
Yeah. Well, let's start over.
Yay.
Straight curve.